Hey guys, it's Sandeep from RevAtlas, and today we are here at the Xiaomi launch event where they launched 7 different products, and now we'll actually be taking a look at 3 of the products which are TVs in themselves. So let's start off with the 49-inch. So this is a brand new TV, a brand new size category that they have introduced today. So all the 3 TVs that you see from Xiaomi being launched today are Android TVs. So essentially they come with Google's version of Android for TV, and they have patch wall built on top of it as well. So what this brings to your table is basically the fact that it has Chromecast built in now. You have a Google Play Store with over 3,000 apps that are optimized for TV themselves. You also get a wonderful app drawer in the TV. You also get a brand new remote. So all 3 of them now come with a voice assistant, the Google Assistant that is voice activated. So the remote itself has changed a bit. It's a bit more chunkier. It's a bit more matte black kind of a look, and it has a voice assistant key over here that is the main highlight. So now searches can be done over voice rather than having to type and do all these things. And it's also compatible with Amazon Alexa and the Google Assistant, so you can control stuff such as your air purifier if it's connected on the same network. So as long as you have this, all you need to do is turn off the air purifier, turn on the air purifier, give these voice commands, and it automatically controls that filter as well. So the 49-inch TV is a 1080p one. It does support HDR content. It has an HDR panel. It has 20 watt speakers. Each speaker is 10 watt each. And Xiaomi is kind of claiming there's 700,000 or 7 lakh plus hours of content to be watched here. And it's also going to get Amazon Prime video support very, very soon. So currently it's not available, but it will come soon. So this is the 49-inch. There's a slight difference in terms of the overall build and the overall design. Also, you can see that the edges are a bit different. It's a bit more chunkier, but also smaller bezels, and it has a black frame in matte black finish too. And now we move on to the 42-inch. This is the baby of the bunch. So the early TV, the 49-inch, will cost you rupees 29,999, and this is the baby which costs you rupees 14,999. So this is an HD ready panel for 32 inches. It seems kind of small here in person. We're not used to smaller TVs nowadays, but then there'll be a lot of people who still want to get a smaller TV, and this is perfect for them. Small bezels, Mi logo. This also comes with Android TV and patch wall on top of it. You still get the same voice assistant key, and the kind of experience that Xiaomi wants you to have is same across the board. So regardless of whether you get a 32-inch TV, a 49-inch TV, or a 55-inch TV, you should be getting all the same features, and that's what they've done here. So these kind of features will also go on to the older Mi TVs. So in case you have the older versions, the 32, 43, and the 55-inch Mi TV 4 and 4As, you can also get the Android TV and patch wall updated pretty soon, but it'll be sometime maybe the first half of next year. So this is the 4C Pro, the 49-inch is the 4A Pro, and we also have an updated 55-inch TV now, which is called the 4A. So this is essentially again an iterative upgrade over the regular 4, Mi TV 4, which also have 55 inches. You can see the same beautiful thin design over here, this frame, and they've done this by actually providing light points all around the frame rather than just at one point, which kind of minimizes the bezels and stuff. And you also see a nice blue highlight that goes over it. So this again remains pretty similar in terms of hardware and not entirely new like the 49-inch. But what's again good about this is that you get Android TV, and on top of which there is patch wall. So this comes with 16 watt speakers, 2 into 8 watt. There's Dolby DTS HD sound, and again you get the same remote as well. And overall the quality, the 4K compatibility and all these things, HDR support, all remains the same, but it's just that you get Android support added to it as well. So the price has also gone up by a bit, a small margin. So this is now 49,999. This TV will be available for purchase across mi.com and Flipkart from 10th October 12 noon, while the other TVs will be available on 9th October 9 p.m. and will be available online as well. And you can also expect these TVs to come across to Mi Home and other offline stores slowly, but first will be available exclusively online. So it's quite interesting to see that Xiaomi listened to the feedback of all the users, people who kind of wanted Android TV. There are many people out there who didn't really know why they wanted an Android TV, but considering that some of the competition, including Sony, was giving it, they wanted Android TV, and that's kind of what these new TVs bring across. So they bring in Android TV, which gives you features like I mentioned, Play Store, the Chromecast, and all these other things. But additionally, they also give you wonderful, software through Patchwall. So Patchwall kind of centralizes your content, brings it all together in one place, and you have that as well. So the best of both worlds. We look forward to trying one of these TVs, which are review unit we get in detail very soon. Thanks for watching this video. See you again in the next one.